Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing 20 powerful steps inspired by relationship expert Dr. Berman on how men can naturally attract women and build real, lasting love. No tricks, no games, just authentic connection. Let's get started. Number 1. Be present. One of the most powerful things you can do when you're with her is to be completely present. That means putting your phone away and giving her your full attention. In today's world, distractions are everywhere, and genuine focus has become rare. When you listen carefully and show her that you are truly engaged in the conversation, it sends a strong message that you value her and what she has to say. This kind of presence is not only respectful but incredibly attractive because it shows emotional availability and sincerity. Being present builds trust and deepens your connection in ways that words alone can't. Number 2. Work on yourself. The second important step is to work on yourself consistently. This means developing your emotional intelligence, strengthening your mental resilience, and taking care of your physical health. When you know yourself and respect yourself, it naturally shines through. Women are drawn to a man who carries confidence that isn't boastful but grounded in self-awareness and self-respect. This kind of growth isn't just for attracting others. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. When you invest in your own development, you create a strong foundation for healthy, meaningful relationships that last. Number 3. Show confidence, not arrogance. True confidence is quiet and steady. It's about knowing your worth without feeling the need to constantly prove it to others. Confidence means being comfortable in your own skin and standing tall even when things don't go perfectly. It's the kind of energy that makes people want to be around you because it's reassuring and genuine. On the other hand, arrogance pushes people away because it feels like you're putting yourself above them. So focus on building inner confidence. That calm, grounded belief in yourself, and you'll naturally attract the right people. Number 4. Be authentic. One of the most attractive qualities you can have is authenticity. Don't pretend to be someone you're not just to impress others. When you show up as your true self, you build trust and create deeper connections. People can sense when you're genuine, and that honesty makes you relatable and approachable. Authenticity isn't about perfection. It's about being real, embracing your strengths and flaws, and letting others see the real you. That kind of openness is the foundation for lasting relationships built on respect and mutual understanding. Number 5. Listen more than you speak. One of the most powerful ways to show someone you care is by listening more than you speak. Women feel truly loved and valued when they are genuinely heard. That means practicing active listening, really focusing on what she's saying, asking thoughtful questions, and responding with empathy. Instead of thinking about your next response, be fully engaged in understanding her feelings and thoughts. This kind of connection helps build emotional intimacy and shows that you respect her perspective, which is incredibly meaningful. Number 6. Build emotional safety. Creating emotional safety is essential for any strong relationship. This means making a space where she feels completely safe to be herself without fear of judgment or criticism. When she trusts that she can be open and vulnerable with you, the relationship deepens naturally. Emotional safety grows through consistent kindness, patience, and respect. By showing her that you're dependable and understanding, you create a strong foundation where trust can thrive, and both of you can grow together. Number 7. Be passionate about something. Having your own goals and interests is incredibly attractive. When you're passionate about something, whether it's your career, a hobby, or a personal project, it shows that you have purpose and drive. Passion is magnetic because it gives you energy and confidence, and people naturally want to be around someone who is excited about life. Pursuing what you love also helps you grow as a person, which only adds to your appeal. Number 8. Respect boundaries. Respecting her physical and emotional boundaries is essential in building a healthy relationship. Everyone has their own limits, and honoring those limits shows maturity and care. It means listening when she says no, giving her space when she needs it, and being sensitive to her feelings. Respect isn't just about rules, it's about creating a safe and trusting environment where both of you feel valued and comfortable. Number 9. Be genuinely kind. Small acts of kindness and respect go a long way in any relationship. Genuine kindness shows that you care not just about her, but also about the world around you. It creates warmth and comfort, making her feel valued and appreciated. Kindness isn't about grand gestures. Often, it's the little things that leave the biggest impact. Number 10. Have a sense of humor. Laughter is a powerful way to connect. Sharing a sense of humor and playfulness lightens the mood and helps you both relax. Laughing together builds a strong bond and makes spending time with you enjoyable. A good sense of humor shows that you don't take yourself too seriously, and that kind of playfulness naturally deepens attraction. Number 11. Be consistent. Consistency is one of the most important building blocks in any relationship. It's about aligning your words with your actions and showing that you're reliable. When you say you're going to do something, follow through every time. This steady behavior builds trust over time and creates a sense of security, which allows her to feel comfortable and open up emotionally. People naturally gravitate toward those they can count on, and being consistent is the easiest way to prove that you're someone worth trusting. Remember, it's the little things done consistently that make the biggest impact in the long run. Number 12. Maintain eye contact. Eye contact is a powerful tool for connection, but it has to feel natural and genuine. When you look someone in the eyes with warmth and interest, it communicates confidence and attention without words. This kind of connection makes her feel seen and understood on a deeper level. Avoid staring or making her feel uncomfortable. Think of it as a gentle, steady gaze that lets her know you're fully present with her. Eye contact combined with a sincere smile can instantly build intimacy and trust, helping your bond grow stronger. Number 13. Compliment meaningfully. Everyone enjoys a sincere compliment, but meaningful compliments go beyond just physical appearance. When you notice and appreciate her unique qualities, whether it's her creativity, kindness, intelligence, or sense of humor, it shows that you're paying close attention to who she really is. These kinds of compliments are more impactful because they make her feel truly understood and valued for her authentic self. Instead of generic praise, focus on specific traits or actions that make her stand out. Meaningful compliments boost her confidence and deepen the emotional connection between you both. Number 14. Control your reactions. Staying calm during tough moments is a sign of true strength. When challenges arise or emotions run high, managing your reactions shows maturity and self-control. Instead of reacting impulsively, take a moment to breathe and respond thoughtfully. This calm presence not only helps resolve conflicts more peacefully, but also makes you someone she can rely on during difficult times. Emotional control creates stability in the relationship and builds deeper respect. Number 15. Be emotionally open. Being emotionally open means sharing your feelings honestly and without fear. Vulnerability might feel uncomfortable, but it's one of the strongest ways to build closeness. When you let her see your authentic emotions, your hopes, fears, and joys, you invite her to do the same. This mutual openness creates a safe space where trust grows and your connection deepens. Emotional openness shows courage and helps both of you understand each other on a much deeper level. Number 16. Have a life of your own. Having your own friends, interests, and goals is essential. Don't be overly available or dependent. When you lead a fulfilling life independently, you become more attractive because it shows confidence and self-sufficiency. Pursuing your passions and maintaining a strong social circle not only enriches your own life, but also brings fresh energy into your relationship. A balanced life creates healthy boundaries and keeps the connection exciting and dynamic. Number 17. Show appreciation. Never underestimate the power of showing appreciation. Express gratitude for the little things she does and recognize her efforts openly. Genuine appreciation makes her feel valued and loved, reinforcing the bond between you. Whether it's through words, gestures, or thoughtful actions, consistently showing that you don't take her for granted nurtures a positive and loving atmosphere. Appreciation is a simple but powerful way to keep the relationship strong and thriving. Number 18. Don't try to convince her. Trying to convince someone to feel a certain way or agree with your point of view often backfires. True connection isn't about winning arguments or persuading someone to change their mind. It's about mutual respect and understanding. When you stop trying to convince her, you create space for honest conversations where both of you can express your thoughts freely. This openness builds trust and allows the relationship to grow naturally. Instead of pushing, focus on listening and appreciating her perspective. That kind of respect speaks volumes and helps deepen your bond. Number 19. Be curious about her world. Taking a genuine interest in her world shows that you value more than just the surface level of your relationship. Ask thoughtful questions about her passions, experiences, and dreams. When you show curiosity about what matters to her, it sends a message that you care deeply and want to understand her on a deeper level. This curiosity invites meaningful conversations and creates emotional intimacy. Remember, connection isn't just about sharing your own story, it's about being interested in hers too. That kind of engagement helps build a strong foundation of trust and closeness. Number 20. Focus on connection, not control. One of the healthiest approaches to relationships is focusing on connection rather than control. Trying to control situations or her choices can lead to tension, resentment, and distance. Instead, prioritize building a partnership based on respect, empathy, and freedom. Connection means being supportive, listening openly, and allowing each other room to grow as individuals. When you focus on connection, you create a balanced relationship where both partners feel valued and understood. This kind of relationship not only lasts longer, but also feels more fulfilling and joyful. So there you have it. 20 authentic ways to attract a woman and build love based on Dr. Laura Berman's relationship advice. Remember, it's not about tricks, it's about emotional intelligence, self-respect, and genuine connection. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment which tip you found most valuable. Thanks for watching.